Hello, right, just testing the stop circuit functionality. I have a 24 volt power supply connected to the 24 volt input on the system on these terminals, and a temporary emergency stop and power on button connect wired in to the main terminals there. So for power on, release the emergency stop, press the power on button, and all this row of contactors are pulled in by individual outputs from the control module. And of course the main contactors don't do anything at this time. In the case of an emergency stop, let me just take these. Oh, I can't. I don't know how clear these are. Unlock these. Take the covers off so they're visible. Hopefully they're a bit more visible now. You can see if they do anything. Right, in the case of emergency stop, wrong button. The emergency stop module is triggered. The first outputs switch off, which allows the top contacts to close. They're wired in series with the slave contacts on the second set of outputs, which are timed. So in the time between these switching off and these switching off, the main contactors are pulled in to apply the brakes. I've only got it set for a couple of seconds, but that time is completely programmable by the controls on the module there. Just reset it and do it again. So for that duration, both track brake contactors pull in and the brakes are operated. It's completely double channel, so for example if one of these contactors sticks in, to reset it, so say that one stuck in, I'm just holding it like that, that was not pulled in, that one is still operated. And because that one is stuck in, the fault, even if we reset that, the fault detection will not allow it to be reactivated until the fault is cured. Likewise for the others, if one of these doesn't drop out, then the brakes will work, though in that case the brake would stay applied until the main isolator was turned off to release power to the system. But as it's a safety circuit, it applies the brake still. The service brakes operate through these completely separately. Obviously, the power of the same units, but there's nothing common in the control or timing or anything. These are a completely separate system. The only thing that's common is the battery power, really. And they are applied through another contact here. Which I'm not going to just link that out to demonstrate it. I'm not going to switch connected. No. I think the problem with that is the battery, the little power supply I've got connected can't stand the current surge when these two pull in together. Possibly. It triggered a fault on the emergency stop module. It detected the voltage pulling down. There is quite a high surge current when these operate. So I can't really demonstrate that whilst it's on that little power supply. Okay, that's it for the minute.